Hello everyone, my name is Lindo. I'm from Buyizzy. Today I'm going to be helping you guys unpack another fantastic device which is called the i9s. So this i9s is a earpiece device whereby when you like to listen to music, or if you are a person that enjoys wearing headsets, or if you have any important things that you currently do with headsets that needs like some high quality sound, I would like to recommend one of these guys to you. So without wasting time, let's just unbox this guy so you can see what it does and how does it works. So from what I can see outside before opening the box, this little guy, it's not the one that it has wires, so it looks like it's a wireless device. So let's go inside and see what it does. Alright, as I remove this thing of this box, the cover of the box, I can actually see it has some things written here. Can you actually see, guys? So the first thing I see here, it's the connectivity. So normally when I see the sign, I have I have it in my mind that it's connected wireless, whereby it's connected by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And then the second one is a microphone. So meaning this device does have this thing called a microphone. So another thing, I can see it's number three. So number three, it shows a sign of a music. So when you see the sign, guys, you know that there is a music involved, which means that the sound is supposed to come out or into this device. And another thing, I see another one, the fourth one. The fourth one is a sign of a cell phone. So normally when I see this sign, I know that it's something that has to do with calls, or yeah, especially calls. And this one, so it has a battery. This is a battery, guys. So before we even have a look at the device, now we know that this device consists of these things. How cool is that, guys? So let's get inside the box. Let me just pull my camera close so you can actually see this. So this is the look of inside the box, guys. First thing I can see, the main guy, the important guy, the Bible. So this guy is called a manual book. It's a manual guide. So it guides you on how to use the device and how to go about the functionalities it has. And as I was talking, the high quality sound, this guy will tell you all about it. But at the moment, as I'm looking at this one, it accommodates everyone because I can see it has two languages involved here. The first one, it's written in English, and then the second one, it's in Chinese. As you know that some of these products are made in China, so yeah, that's the reason why it has both these languages. So let's go deeper. Another thing I can find in this device, it's this guy here. It's a white box. So this white box, it looks like one of the white box whereby you can put eye lenses and stuff, but it isn't that one. So with regards to this one, we can open it like this. And if we open this box, we will see there are some cool things that are inside here that looks like this. And surprisingly, they are earpiece. So this is fantastic, guys. It's so interesting. It comes with the box. Inside the box, there is another box. This box is it's quite cool because it can insert these guys to be safe, and it also helps to charge these guys because I can see that there is a charging point underneath. So this is where you put the charger. But as I look into this box, I can't find the charger. There is this little guy here, which is a cable. I suppose this is supposed to go here, and then the USB plug. So you can connect it on your PC, or either you can also use any charging point that consists of a USB plug. So just be careful, guys. Don't use any plugging points that has high voltage, because we also don't want to blow out this little guy as well. So let's see. what these little guys have. Let's take them out. Actually, as I'm looking inside here, I can see, I'm not sure what you're gonna see, but if you can see like deep, there are holes there. On those holes, there are some things that looks like wires or something. But anyway, let's see what is happening here. This is what it's gonna look like. So these headphones, guys, they are wireless. They doesn't have any wires. When you switching them on, you just press here on this little guy here, and when you press and hold it like this for about 5 seconds, and then it gives you some lights, which is a green and a red lights. Then you know it's on, and then if you put it in your ears, and then you'll hear that there'll be some sound coming in, which is going to tell you if it's connected or not. So always remember that you need to pay attention when you're switching these guys on, because it will tell you exactly if it's charged or not as well. So let's put them back. I want to show you something cool. My camera is like very far, guys. I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, as I can see, guys, I'm not sure whether you can see it as well. But if you have a look at inside here, it shows some red lights. These red lights shows you that these devices are charged and they are ready to be connected. And if you close it, actually it even shows you some blue lights here. Guys, I'm not sure whether you can see it, but it's there. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. But it has a blue light here, so this blue light indicates that it's charged and it's ready to be connected as well. And it has some sort of like a button which is invisible here, whereby you press it, and then this button also indicates whereby the device is on or off. Alright, so guys, for now that's it for me. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be blessed with a good one.